StringBuffer. StringBuffer is a class in Java that belongs to the Java lang package. It is used to create and manipulate mutable, means changeable, sequences of characters, which means we can modify the content of a StringBuffer object without creating a new one. This is in contrast to the immutable nature of the regular string class in Java. Here are some key features and methods associated with StringBuffer. 1. Mutable nature. Unlike strings, which are immutable, cannot be changed once created, StringBuffer allows us to modify the content of the sequence of characters it represents. 2. Synchronization. StringBuffer is thread-safe, which means it ensures that multiple threads can access and modify it concurrently without any issues. However, this comes with some performance overhead. 3. Capacity. StringBuffer has an initial capacity, and it automatically grows in size as needed. We can also specify an initial capacity while creating a StringBuffer object. 4. Converting to string. StringBuffer provides methods such as append, insert, delete, replace, and more, which allow you to modify the content of the string. 5. Performance considerations. While StringBuffer provides flexibility for modifying strings, it might have slightly lower performance compared to StringBuilder in cases where thread safety is not a concern. If we are working in a single-threaded environment, StringBuilder is generally preferred due to its higher performance. Using StringBuffer can be beneficial when we need to perform a series of operations on a string without creating a new string object each time, which can be inefficient in terms of memory and performance. However, if thread safety is not a concern, and you don't need mutability, the StringBuilder class, it's a similar to StringBuffer but without synchronization, is often preferred for better performance in non-threaded scenarios. Here is an example in the given class. Class name is StringBuffer example and we are creating an object of StringBuffer and using its respective methods. The method append, world, it appends the specified string to the end of the string buffer. The method insert, where 5 is offset, Java is string. It inserts the specified string at the specified position in the string buffer. The method delete, where 0 is start index, 6 is end index, it deletes the characters from the start index to the end-1 index in the string buffer. The method replace, where 6 start index, 10 is end index, program, is the string, it replaces the characters from the start index to the end-1 index with the specified string. ToString method converts the string buffer content to a string, by which we can print string buffer value in the console. See you again. Thank you.